Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can generate an AI image on Picsart. So under time saving shortcut, select generate AI images, and I am going to type in a prompt. I'm going to type in red-headed lady on a pink skateboard while holding an ice cream. And as you can see, there's a lot of styles to choose from concept art to symmetry. I don't know how that's gonna show later. I am going to, I think I want to see vintage or 3D maybe. Let's do vintage and let's see what it comes up with, or retro. Oh, you can actually choose more than one style. I'll just choose two. Select generate image, and hopefully it will give us something that we want. Okay, this is cute. I like this one, so I'm just going to select it and it's going to show here. Very cute. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!